Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use for affiliate marketing. And actually I'm talking about social media that is getting more than 180 million monthly visits. And this social media is not oversaturated yet, which means if you start right now, you can get a lots of free followers, and that means a lots of free traffic. Now, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And just like on any other social media, you need to make a niche specific page and you need to start sharing content in that niche on that social media page. Now, social media that I'm talking about is Threads by Instagram. Now, when you come here on SimilarWeb, you will see that in February 2025, Threads by Instagram got 183 million visits, and that is a lot of free traffic. Now, this is one of my Threads pages, and here you can see I actually have 115,000 followers on this page. And when you go here on Insights, you will see more data about this page. So here you can see in past 30 days, I got 425,000 views, 29,000 interactions. Here you can see top posts. Here you can see 115,000 followers. Here you can see 59, almost 60% of my followers are coming from United States, 8% from United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. So I actually have a good followers from highly developed countries, and that is why I'm actually making a good money from this Threads page. And here you can see by age, and here you can see by gender. Most of my followers are men, and that actually makes sense because this particular page is devoted to men. And when I go here on homepage, you will see there are also lots of big guys sharing content here on Threads. And here you will see often NBA, UFC, and other big guys sharing content on Threads because there is lots of potential here on Threads. Now, good thing about Threads is you can share direct links, just like you used to be able to share direct links on Twitter and get direct traffic, direct visits from Threads to your own website, to your affiliate website, or whatever you are, or wherever you are sending traffic from Threads. But how do you actually grow on Threads? As you saw, I have 115,000 followers. Now, best way to grow on Threads is just like on any other social media. Simply start sharing viral content. But how do you find viral content? Well, one of the ways is you can simply go here on a website called Viral Finder. And here you can find viral posts in your own niche. Now, but this service is actually paid. You will need to pay Viral Finder to find viral content in your niche. Alternatively, what you can do is you can simply go here on Instagram, and then here you can simply search for viral content. For example, dog, and then I can simply go on one of these. For example, I will go on this page here. As you can see, this page has 6.3 million followers, and when I go here on Reels, I can see which of these Reels get the most views, and I can share that on my Threads page. Now, good thing about Threads is you can connect it with your Instagram page, which means when you share a post on your Instagram page, it will be automatically shared on your Threads page as well. So you don't have to share same post twice. You can simply share it once on Instagram and it will be automatically shared on Threads as well. Now, another way to get viral videos, viral content is to simply go on halo.video, and here you can create a viral videos just like these guys here. Here you can see some of these guys make a really good videos. For example, something like this, okay? And in few of my previous videos, I already showed you how you can make viral videos like this on Halo. So, like I said, just start sharing viral content on Threads, and because Threads is still not oversaturated, you can easily start getting a lots of organic followers on Threads, and you can start getting a lots of free traffic by simply sharing direct links on Threads. And you will start sending traffic, free traffic from Threads to your blog, to your website, to your mailing list, to your affiliate offer, or whatever you want. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.